Hard Rock Hotel Cancun. Endless entertainment, activities and relaxation await guests at this exceptional oceanfront all-inclusive resort. Located in Cancun's hotel zone and offering first-class accommodations, complete with a double hot tub and private balconies. The suites at Hard Rock Hotel Cancun feature free Wi-Fi and free music streaming channels along with a fully stocked minibar with sodas, bottled water, juice and domestic beer. Hard Rock Hotel Cancun provides guests with a large variety of luxurious amenities and facilities. Guests can enjoy a spacious outdoor pool overlooking the ocean, 2 on-site tennis courts and a full-service spa. There are also 5 gourmet restaurants located on-site, featuring a variety of international cuisine. With a kids and teen club, live nightly entertainment and organized tours of the area, guests of all ages can have an unforgettable stay at Hard Rock Hotel Cancun. On-site car hire service also makes nearby attractions, such as Chichen Itza and Ek Balam, easily accessible.